Hello everyone, welcome to Messy Jess channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to paint this tree right here. So let's get right to it. We will start with a very dark background. The darker it is, the brighter your tree is gonna look. However, I try to avoid pure black color in any of my paintings simply because pure black doesn't look good in paintings. I'm gonna start painting the tree trunk with a dark brown color. Our tree is gonna have a very curvy shape. Once you're happy with the shape, next step is creating a clip and mask layer for the tree trunk. This layer, we will paint the tree texture along the tree trunk like this, with a much darker brown color. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better. I decreased the brush size to paint the smaller texture along the tree. Next step, still on the same clip and mask layer, I take an airbrush and brush along the side of the tree to create the shadow and the highlights for the tree. Okay, now the hard part is over. Let's the fun part begin. Take out your favorite foliage brush and start creating the tree crown. Now this brush is in the Frank Contour brush pack I bought a few years ago, but you can just utilize any foliage brush you have. I choose a relatively dark pink for the tree crown. You can find the color code in the description below. For the shadow of the tree crown, I pick a darker color and shift it slightly to the purple side of the color wheel. And as for the highlight of the tree crown, I pick a much lighter tone and shift it slightly to the red color. Then I thought it would be a good idea to add a mini crown up here, just to make it a little more fun. I basically just picked the color that I already used for the big crown and use it for the small one. Let me zoom in so you can see it a little better. I also add a small tree branch here for the small crown. Next, we finally get to the magic part of the tree. To do that, we need to create a layer below the tree trunk and the tree crown layer. We will start with a bright orange layer, like this. Then once you're happy with the shape, we will add a bright yellow on the side of this orange like so. So we are almost done here. There is only one small step left in the bottom of the tree. Do you feel like it's a little empty? Like it's missing something? So for that reason, I'm gonna add some grass on the bottom of the tree, starting with a slightly bright yellow because that's where the light shine on the grass. As it's getting further from the light source, it will become greener and darker. And since we are drawing tree, here's a tree joke for you. What's the tree favorite drink? It's root beer. Ha ha ha, come on, it was funny. I decided that the background is not dark enough, so I actually recolor it with a much darker blue and it looks much better. Final step is having an overlay color on top and adding some yellow highlight to the tree. Make it looks even brighter. Let me zoom in the layers here so you see how it all lay out. And that's it for our video today. Let me know what you think in the comment below. Also, if you have any more tree jokes, leave a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See you next time. Bye!